How to add contacts in Botim. First, open the Botim and go to calls. From here, tap the plus icon here in the bottom right. And here you're gonna have your contacts. So make sure you have contacts enabled. So let's go to the settings. You're gonna go to the apps and then Botim. And then tap contacts and make sure you have full access here. Allow full access. Now let's go back to the Botim app. Then let's go to calls. Let's go plus. And here you have your entire contact list where you can add people from. Now to add a new contact, tap new contact here. We're gonna enter the name and middle name. Then you're gonna enter the phone number and save. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.